Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Octa trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa trading app on your device, and from the home page, to create a new account, tap on the sign up button. You now have three different options to start creating your account. You can choose your Google or Facebook account, or you can continue with your email address. Just type in your preferred email address within the email address section and then type in your password underneath. Now tap on the sign up button and you will be asked to confirm your email. You can then open up your email app and you will find the confirm button inside an email sent by Octa. Once you tap on this confirm button, your account will now be verified and you can now start filling up your personal information to continue forward with your registration. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.